Are you spending too much time in the bathroom with nothing to show for it? That uncomfortable bloating, the frustration of irregular bowel movements, and that constant feeling of heaviness might be more than just an inconvenience. How to use flaxseed for constipation relief could be the natural solution you've been searching for. In the next few minutes, you'll discover its amazing daily benefits, easy recipes, and a simple 7-day challenge that could transform your gut health. Chronic constipation affects more than just your bathroom schedule. It can lead to toxin buildup in your system, causing energy crashes, mood swings, and even skin problems. What many don't realize is that conventional remedies like fiber supplements and laxatives often create dependency, making your gut even lazier over time. And the longer you ignore these warning signs, the more your gut microbiome becomes imbalanced, potentially leading to more serious digestive issues down the road. Let's talk about flaxseed, nature's overlooked digestive powerhouse. These tiny seeds pack an impressive punch when it comes to constipation relief, and here's why they work when other methods fail. First, let's understand the daily benefits of flaxseed for your digestive health. Flax seeds contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance that softens stool, while the insoluble fiber adds bulk and helps things move along. What makes flaxseed truly special is its high omega-3 fatty acid content, which reduces inflammation in the digestive tract, something most fiber supplements simply don't address. Regular consumption can also improve your gut microbiome balance, boost your immune system, and even help regulate blood sugar levels. Here are 3 proven ways to use flaxseed for maximum constipation relief. 1. The morning kickstarter. Mix 1 tablespoon of freshly ground flaxseed into a glass of water with a squeeze of lemon. Drink this first thing in the morning, 30 minutes before breakfast. The combination activates digestive enzymes and provides the perfect lubricating effect. 2. The smoothie booster. Add 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed to your favorite smoothie. The key here is making sure you're grinding the seeds fresh. Pre-ground flaxseed loses its potency after just 24 hours. This delivers those beneficial oils directly to your digestive system while masking the taste completely. 3. The overnight soaker. For more severe constipation, try this method. Mix 3 tablespoons of whole flax seeds in a cup of water and let them soak overnight. In the morning, you'll have a gel-like mixture. Drink the entire thing, seeds and all. This provides both immediate and time-released relief throughout the day. Now let's get to some delicious flaxseed recipes specifically designed for constipation relief. 1. Gut-healing breakfast. Pudding. Combine 3 tablespoons of ground flaxseed with 1 cup of yogurt, a drizzle of honey, and fresh berries. Let it sit for 10 minutes before eating to allow the flaxseed to thicken the mixture. 2. Digestive power smoothie. Blend 1 banana, 1 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and a handful of spinach. This combination targets inflammation while providing gentle fiber. 3. Constipation relief energy balls. Mix 1 cup of dates, 1 or 2 cup of ground flaxseed, 1 or 4 cup of chia seeds, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a food processor. Roll into small balls and refrigerate. Have 2 or 3 per day as a sweet treat that keeps your digestive system moving. For best results, stay consistent with your flaxseed intake and increase your water consumption. Most people notice improvement within 24-72 hours. But the real transformation happens when incorporating flaxseed becomes a daily habit. While flaxseed works wonders for many people, sometimes your gut needs additional support, especially if you've been dealing with chronic constipation for months or years. Your gut microbiome might be severely unbalanced, making it harder for natural remedies to work effectively on their own. There's something that's been helping thousands of people naturally restore their gut balance and finally experience regular, comfortable bowel movements. It's called Vivo Gut Pro, a specialized supplement that combines prebiotics, probiotics, and digestive enzymes to address the root causes of constipation, not just the symptoms. What makes it different is its unique 3-phase approach. First, cleaning the digestive tract, then rebalancing the gut microbiome, and finally reinforcing the gut lining for long-term digestive health. Many users report not just relief from constipation, but also reduced bloating, more energy, and even clearer skin within just a few weeks. You can learn more about it in the link in the description below or in the pinned comment. Ready to transform your digestive health? Try our 7-day gut challenge. Day 1-2. Begin with the morning Kickstarter recipe using 1 tablespoon of flaxseed daily. Day 3 to 4. Add the digestive power smoothie to your routine. Day 5 to 6. Incorporate the constipation relief energy balls as snacks. Day 7. Use all 3 methods and evaluate your progress. Remember these key points when using flaxseed for constipation relief. Always start with small amounts and work your way up. Fresh ground seeds are significantly more effective than pre-ground. Stay consistent and patient. Your gut needs time to respond. Combine with adequate water intake for best results. Enjoy the additional daily benefits of improved skin, reduced inflammation, and better overall health. If you've been struggling with chronic digestive issues and want to fast-track your results beyond what flaxseed alone can do, the Vivo Gut Pro supplement might be worth exploring. If this sounds like something you've been looking for, click the first link in the description or the pinned comment to learn more about how people are finally finding relief after years of digestive distress.